Overview. Buick's flagship SUV, the Enclave, has been redesigned for the 2025 model year. Gone are the previous generation's curvaceous lines, replaced by boxier styling that borrows design elements from Buick's Envision and Envista SUVs. Also borrowed is the Enclave's engine. Like its Chevy Traverse and GMC Acadia platform mates, the 2025 Enclave is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder as its only available power plant. Following Buick's strategy of straddling the line between mainstream and luxury market segments, the 2025 Enclave is offered in 3 trims, with the base preferred equipped as well as any mainstream crossover and the loaded Avenir punching up into the near-luxury realm. Although the Avenir looks quite nice inside, it still lacks the dazzle found inside the top European SUVs. That puts the Enclave at a disadvantage against luxurious rivals from BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo, and makes it more of a direct competitor to similarly premium 3-row offerings one tier down, such as the Acura MDX, the Cadillac XT6, and the Infiniti QX60. What's new for 2025? The Enclave has been completely redesigned for 2025, entering its 3rd generation with fresh styling, updated tech, and a new turbocharged 4-cylinder powertrain. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Buick Enclave is expected to start around $49,000 and go up to $62,000 depending on the trim and options. Preferred. $49,000, best. Sport Touring. $56,000, best. Avenir. $62,000, best. 0, $10,000. $20,000. $30,000. $40,000. $50,000. $60,000. $70,000. $80,000. $90,000. $100,000. Buick has released no information about the 2025 Enclave's pricing yet, but we know it will be offered in 3 trims: entry-level preferred, mid-range sport touring, and top-spec Avenir when we find out more about the 2025 Enclave's pricing, trims, and features. We'll update this story with details. Engine, transmission, and performance. All Enclave models are powered by the same 328 horsepower turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. This engine is shared with the Chevrolet Traverse and the GMC Acadia, and like those models, the Enclave comes with an 8-speed automatic in either front or all-wheel drive. Unlike its stablemates, the Buick won't be offered with additional off-road goodies. Buicks are made for the boulevard. The top-spec Avenir model comes with adaptive dampers and 22-inch wheels. The preferred and sport touring models have a more traditional passive damper setup for their suspension systems and ride on standard 20s or optional 22s. The Enclave can tow up to 5,000 pounds, but unlocking that number requires springing for the optional trailering package. When we get a chance, we'll take the new Enclave to our test track